So
Sounds like too much.
I don't plan to shower today, tomorrow, or the next week. So I mean, I'm alright. Shower is for like people that like
once a month kind of
showering. Yeah, it's like once a month for me. People who shower every single day, they're like insecure about themselves or something. I don't know. I feel secure in myself and my smell and my odor,
smell.
my odor. So I mean, I'm confident enough in myself to. People are going to believe you.
Yeah,
LOL.
for real. He's so serious when he's like says stuff like that. When he's being sarcastic, he's not being sarcastic. He's just straight up being serious as heck.
Yeah, because I am.
No, you're not.
I am, bro. Hey, okay.
Bro, hey, I live with you. That's how.
That's how Justin is.
Yeah, I'm like, dude, this isn't sarcasm. This is just straight up lying.
I don't lie, bro.
Yes, that's lying.
People never know when he's joking.
No, they don't.
Yeah, because people don't have sense of humor.